Dongguan Metro Clothing Company Limited, located in Dongguan City, China. Our factory established in 2005. It is close to Shenzhen and Guangzhou Port, near Hong Kong. Is a good position for customers to visit our factory. We specialize in designing and manufacturing women casual wear in good quality and good services. For dresses, skirt, jumpsuit, blouse, and jackets. We have won a good reputation in the market. We offer OEM and ODM service for all the customers. Our mainly customers are from Australia, America, Europe, Canada, Russia, Malaysia, and Singapore. Our designing team is very strong. Every season we design a lot of hot sell styles for our customers. Our factory covers 3,000 meters squared. 70 workers work for us. The current production capability is around 20,000 pieces per month. We design the styles according to the customer's target price, and we have established our quality control system to meet our customers' request. We have set up very good and stable cooperation relationships with our customers. In the past years, our factory is growing up step by step. We attend to some fashion shows every year to visit customers and develop more customers, like Magic Show in USA, Pure London in UK, Textile Show in Australia. We will attend at least one show every year. We are expecting your kind attention. Hope we can have opportunity to cooperate together.